Oh, Curly Express here. I have a mail call. Wasn't even expecting this at all. I have a friend, and I don't know. She buys me stuff once in a while, and she does woodworking. Makes all kinds of stuff out of wood, and stuff. I will try my best to put her woodworking channel. She doesn't have anything on YouTube, but her website it's a website instead of a channel. But she came up with something for me. So let's see what I got. Only got a little peek of it. Don't know where she come across this at, but she always out doing shows and selling her woodworking stuff. But I got this here. Boy, it's kind of dark in here. Hold on a second. Let's see if that's any brighter. So, first building. She found some buildings for layout. I'm guessing this is a train station, looks like. Don't look that bad. Looks nice. Oh, my dog, she's mad because I got the thing sitting on the her bag. I'm sure a few things came loose. I have to re-glue it. Here's another. Looks like another train station, actually. Don't it? Don't that look like another train station? Well, that'd be cool. I have a choice of which ones I want to use. I can switch it off and on. Not bad. Sorry, I'm turning around and moving things. Oh, wait, cookies. Can't see that. I got cookies. What else is in here? Holy cow. There's a bunch of stuff in there. There's probably a couple things that broke off. What? Holy cow, look at that. Look at that old train car. Doors even open on it. That's an oldie. Anybody know what scale that is? Maybe G scale. I know it ain't no HO scale. That's not bad. Had a wheel missing, but maybe it's in the box though somewhere. Oh, there's something real big in here. Wow, what is it? Barn, maybe? Barn, it's a windmill. I mean, there's the wheels for that train car right there. What's it came off? What is that? I don't know if that's handmade or 3D printed or what. Oh, look at that. That looks like train tracks in here for that. Not sure what it is. Anybody? What is that? I think it was a kit. That wheel move? That wheel. There's something inside. I can't tell what it is, though. See it in there? I'm not sure what it is. Well, I got my shaky hand. A little bit of adjustments. That'll look kind of good, actually. I could take it off this platform and put it by my pond when I have it done. So I got wheels in there, and what else? Might be some other parts in here. Okay, that's it. That's cool. Alright, that's my mail call. Can't share cookies. I don't know what kind they are yet. Over here. They look like, maybe chocolate chip, maybe. My dog's looking at that. Nope, you ain't getting any of that. That's all mine. Alright, it's my mail call. Thank you, Donna. And I will try to post her website, if I can find it, at the bottom. Alright, thank you for watching. Catch y'all later. Bye.